In this video, Miss Wendy is going to go over the vocabulary that we have learned last time and also some other expressions that are related to this topic. First of all, we have learned the word crime. When somebody commits a crime, that person breaks the law. So you can also say the person commit an offense. When you commit a crime, the police might arrest you and put you to jail. Look at this poster from Australia. It says here, stealing is an offense. Offense is like a crime. When you steal something, you are committing an offense. You will get caught. So the policeman of Australia in Queensland is asking you to work together to reduce retail theft. That means they want to stop people from stealing things in the shops. Commit a crime. Commit an offense. So, do you remember this picture? This is a prison. Or we can say this is a jail. A jail. A prison. Do you remember when you play Monopoly, there's a square at the bottom here that says, go to jail? So this is the jail. It is a prison. See? This is the jail on the Monopoly board. And this person that should be inside the jail is a prisoner. A prisoner. So we can say, see, this man is going to jail. This man committed a crime and went to jail or went to prison. So this is the past tense. Note the double T here. Next, we're going to talk about the expression escape from. In the last video, we learned about the word escape. And please remember, we usually put the preposition from after escape. For example, the prisoner escapes from the prison. Don't forget the S if it is for a present tense. Or we can say the prisoner escaped from the prison yesterday in past tense. Because the word ends with the E, we just have to add a D here. Next, chase after. The preposition after chase is after. For example, the policeman, he chases after the prisoner. If it is in past tense, we can say the policeman chased after the prisoner yesterday. All right, so look at this man. We have three words here, rob, robber, and robbery. Again, don't forget, don't pronounce this as rubber, okay? It's robber, robber. So what are the differences between these three words, among these three words? So, rob is the verb, is the action, okay? Robber is the person. This guy is the robber, and robbery is the event, what happened. For example, the robber robs two poor people. Okay, this is present tense. But usually when we report a crime, it is in past tense. So perhaps we can say, the robber robbed two poor people 2 days ago. Now we can talk about the event, what happened. And we use the word robbery. There was a robbery at the park 2 days ago. Remember, when we see ago, it is in past tense. A robbery. Okay, next. Let's look at this picture. This guy is stealing something from the jewelry shop. He is stealing. And we call this man a thief. A thief. A thief is somebody who steals from other people. And the event is called a theft. A theft. Again, this is the action, which is the verb. This is the person, and this is the event. For example, we can say the thief steals some jewelry from the shop. This is in present tense. Or when we report this event, we can say the thief stole in past tense some jewelry from the shop last Sunday. See, last Sunday is also a word that tells you, this is a marker that tells you this has to be in past tense, stole. Okay, and when we talk about the event, we can say there was a theft at the jewelry shop last Sunday. Oh, so what did the lady do? She called the police and reported a crime. We can say the shopkeeper called the police to report a crime. Remember, after to, no tense. Okay, we finished talking about the expressions. Now it's homework time. So I have given you a work lookup activity sheet for this chapter, and I've put down all the expressions and words on here. So just like before, please look up the word, the meaning of the words in Chinese, and put down the part of speech. It means you have to write down whether this is a noun or a verb, okay? Is this an action? If it is an action, it is a verb. If it is something like crimes, it is something. So we can put down a noun here, noun. Now, for the extension is for the Kiwi group. Kiwi group, you know who you are. Please write down some words here as synonyms. Okay, so another word that means the same thing. Just give it a try. Okay, now this is what I want you to do. I want you to open up your class notebook and put your word lookup activity on this side of the page. And on this side, I want you to write down the heading, Chapter 5 Police Stories, put down the date, and write down all the sentences that you have learned in this video on this page, okay? And underline the key words. Okay, this one you may see a little bit more clearly. Okay, try to underline the words, the letters like D and S to remind yourself when you use the present tense or past tense, how do you spell the word? For example, here, the robber robbed. Don't forget to put double B here. All right. So that's all for today. Thank you and see you in the next video.